In this video, I am going to show you how we can disable uh, Microsoft account addition or sign in from Microsoft account. So by default, we can sign in from either a Microsoft account or we can make a local account. So if you want to see, I can either sign in from my local account or my Microsoft account. But in corporate networks, a local account is preferred or domain account is preferred over Microsoft account because Microsoft and if you make Microsoft account, so OneDrive will sync all the data that is in your C drive or documents or folders. So in corporate environment, we need to block the Microsoft account. So to block the Microsoft sign in or addition of Microsoft account, you have to go first control panel and here you will find user accounts and here this is the setting make changes to my account in PC settings. So here you can see this is a local account and anyone with the administrator rights can add a Microsoft account and will be able to sign in. So corporate data can be moved to some user can sign in with its Microsoft account and put the data in a OneDrive. So to disable this feature, so user can't add or sign in with Microsoft account. We can configure the local security policy. Go to the local security policy and go to local policies and then security options. And then here is the feature block Microsoft accounts. By default, this policy is disabled. And here you can have two options. User can't add Microsoft account or and user can't add or log in with Microsoft account. Depending on your motive, you can either block the addition and login, or you can just block the addition of Microsoft account. So I will prefer both. You block both the option as it is recommended. And now you can see that if you refresh this setting, so this option is disabled. You can't add a Microsoft account, and also the sign in option will also be removed if you sign out. So that there is now a local account, not the Microsoft account. So in this way, you can block the sign in or addition of Microsoft account through group policy. Thank you for watching.